1. What is the unit of power? Two. The energy possessed by a moving body is called. Three. Which form of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Four. What causes a rainbow? Five. The speed of sound is maximum in. Six. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirror? Seven. The SI unit of pressure is. Eight. Which device converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? Nine. Which color has the highest frequency? Ten. Light travels in a straight line, this is called. Eleven. Burning of coal is an example of. 12. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Thirteen. Which gas is essential for burning? Fourteen. Acid rain is mainly caused by. 15. The process of conversion of liquid to gas is called. Sixteen. Which substance turns blue litmus red? Seventeen. Which fuel is called clean fuel? Eighteen. Rusting of iron requires. Nineteen. LPG mainly consists of. Twenty. Which material is biodegradable? Twenty-one. Which part of plant absorbs water? Twenty-two. Which pigment is responsible for green color of plants? 23. Animals that eat both plants and meat are called. (24) Which organ helps in breathing? (25) Which disease is caused by mosquito? (26) Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? (27) Normal body temperature of humans is. (28) Which blood group is universal recipient? (29) Which organ removes waste from blood? (30) Which gas do humans exhale? (31) The cutting of trees is called. (32) Which energy source is renewable? (33) Ozone layer protects us from. (34) Which gas is responsible for global warming? (35) Noise pollution is measured in. (36) The main source of energy on Earth is. (37) Recycling helps in. (38) Which appliance converts electrical energy into heat? (39) Plastic is harmful because it is. (40) Which disease spreads through contaminated water? (41) The study of plants is called. (42) Which part of eye controls amount of light? (43) Wind energy is used to produce. (44) Which is a communicable disease? 45. Which metal is attracted by magnet? 46. Which device measures temperature? 47. The smallest unit of matter is. 48. The process of food making in plants is called. 49. Which organ helps fish to breathe? 50. Clean drinking water helps prevent. 'Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.